Hello, in this video I will show you how to wipe cache partition on Nubia Neo 2. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it. Now you are in recovery mode, and here you have to use volume buttons to navigate and move to wipe cache partition and then press power button to select. Now move to yes with volume buttons again and then press power button. Now you can choose reboot system now to go back to your Android system. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.